Orere ciiko cia uhaguku wa ugitiri ithiete na mbere na gwakiriria icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi. Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi wa Gachagua ni ugite thirikari iri na mubango wa kweheria maabitha a borithi aria marangagira manyumba na mawabici ma bata na ithenya-ini riao rithukirwo maabitha a kuma ruhonge rwa mbeũ njithi rwa NYS.
But we don't want our officers from the National Police Service. We want them to go and fight bandits. We want them to go and fight criminals. We want them to go and deal with the eradication of crime. And the NYS personnel, because they are disciplined, they can do most of the work in terms of controlling people coming in and out of buildings. But we want to have a conversation about payment. We don't want them to offer a free service.
Akiaria ari nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC guku Nairobi hindi ya kigomano kia mbeũ njithi kigiĩ uthondeki wa mawira, Rigathi augite ikinya riri ni rikuhotithia maabitha a borithi kwitana na uhaguku wa ugitiri guku ni ruhonge rwa mbeũ njithi rwa NYS rukigia na mbeca cia kwiyandandura.
We don't want them to offer a free service so that money can be invested within the service to train more people and give people more skills. So that is a conversation that we have. It has been there, but nobody has really followed it up properly so that it becomes an official government policy. And that is something that we intend to do from.
Oho Rigathi ni athiete na mbere na kuga thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni ikiriire gutigira ni yathondeka mieke ya mawira kuri mbeũ njithi. Okaida-ini okau murugamiriri munene wa ngwataniro ya andikani guku bururi-ini Jacqueline Mogo ni oritie thirikari inyitanire na honge cia andu kiumbe kugacirithia mathomo maria marathomithio macukuru-ini ma gikiro kia iguru niguo guthinga ithenya ria wagi wa umenyo uria ugumeire aria maretha mawira.
Many recruiters in our economy say that they cannot find the skills that they need, and yet we know that there are a high number of unemployed youth. So what is the story behind this disconnect between the needs of the Kenya labor market and the skills that our wonderful youth have? This skills mismatch is a major concern for the Federation. We know also that having a degree or a diploma by itself is no longer sufficient for one to gain employment. We have to look at soft skills, and we look forward to working with the government to address the issue of the soft skills and to be able to have the statistics to inform choices by our young people as to which learning programs they'll undertake so that we train for the economy.
Kuringana na riboti ya ruhonge rwa ndari guku bururi-ini, o mwaka bururi-ini wamukagira makiria ma mbeũ njithi milioni 1.4 aria marekagia macukuru no mationaga mawira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.